We're on westbound I-94 in the middle of the US-31 I-94 interchange and reconnection project. And we are building westbound 94 and several bridges this season. This is a Rebuilding Michigan project. The Rebuilding Michigan program funded about $94 million of the $122 million it takes to build this project. And without the Rebuilding Michigan program, this wouldn't be happening. Well, across this section, we're going to rebuild westbound 94 this year. We're going to connect US-31, which comes up from the Indiana-Michigan state line. We're going to connect between Napier Avenue and I-94 and construct a new interchange between US-31 and I-94. As part of that project, we're also building 4 new bridges and doing 1 bridge rehabilitation. Well, it's very unique that we're building some new freeway grade. That doesn't happen very often in Michigan anymore. So that section of 31 that's not built yet from Napier Avenue up to I-94 is a new freeway alignment. A unique thing that we don't get to do very often, and we're excited to be a part of it. It's been a long time coming, decades in fact. I have one senior technician who's been with the department roughly 30 years. One of his very first projects was US-31 at the Indiana-Michigan state line. He's nearing the end of his career now, and he gets to finish this one as sort of the capstone on a good career. It's been great. There's been a lot of community involvement. We have great contractors and great partners, both in the consulting world and in the contracting world. And everything's just coming together. We're on time, we're on budget so far, and it's looking good. We should have westbound I-94 open for traffic by Thanksgiving of this year. We actually received an email from a lady who drives through here regularly with her kids. And her kids are really excited to see all the earth moving equipment and all the construction going on. And it's hot all summer long, and the guys are working very hard. And so she reached out wanting to thank the construction crews, asking to bring cookies and drinks, and we're just waiting to make that happen.